Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the session is invalid, and please try again. Please restart your PC. So the first thing that you guys can do is go over to the search bar in the and then go ahead and type in terminal. Now once you see the terminal or command prompt either or works, go ahead and just right click on it, hit run as administrator, and then hit yes. Now from here what you want to do is you want to basically just go ahead and type in this command ipconfig/flush DNS, and this will basically flush the DNS, and it's kind of like restarting your Wi-Fi in a way as well. Now what you can do is you can go ahead and X out, and then you can try starting up the game again. Now another method you guys can do is by simply restarting your PC. That will also help fix the issue. Another thing you guys can do is once the app is open, go ahead and open up the task manager by clicking Control, Shift, and Escape at the same time, or just searching it up. But anyways, once you find it, go ahead and right click on the app and hit end task, and then you can go ahead and X out of task manager and start it back up, and that should also help fix the issue. Now that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.